guys on my videos. My channel is Bob Adventures, and here I am in Megamall. I'm collecting them from Kitty Crew today for 5 days. And today's my day 1. So guys, I hope to see you around. Bye!
So, good morning parents, good morning Kitty Crews. The much-awaited Toy Kingdom Kitty Crew is happening here at Toy Kingdom Mega Mall. So, ano yung favorite toy ni Alex? Sige.
My name is Alexandra Isabel.
Alexandra Isabel, your age?
8.
8. And then your favorite toy?
Barbie.
Wow!